I'm starting to think that I've got a rain force field over my house. Only about 6 total rain drops at my house. Meanwhile, other spots got over an inch of rain in the New Orleans metro. Most of that rain has now diminished, but check out some of the rainfall amounts that we had earlier. Notice spots like West Wego towards Wagaman, over 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches of rain. Even in the lower Garden District towards the French Quarter, 1/2 of an inch to near 1.25 inches. Meanwhile, the fairgrounds to Gentilly, maybe 1/3 of an inch if you are lucky. Hardly a drop in Metairie, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. So the rainfall amounts were widely scattered today, and most of the rainfall has now started to diminish. Radar picture showing a couple of spotty storms in St. Charles and Lafourche Parish. If you're watching in Chack Bay, you are one of the lucky spots. By my standards, your lawn may be a little bit less crispy in the wake of this downpour that's dropping some nice rainfall. Couple of lightning strikes just towards the south and east of Bayou Buff. Had some nice rain earlier in parts of Des Allemands and Paradis. Hour by hour forecast, not looking at much rain this evening. I think beyond 8 o'clock. Rain coverage slim to none overnight. The one exception, maybe a couple of spotty storms south of Golden Meadow and Galliano. Tomorrow morning, I think the storms begin to spread inland, but you'll notice a trend that begins on Wednesday. Rain coverage is going to start to drop. So tomorrow afternoon, I've got rain coverage at about 20 to maybe 30%. Most of the rain along and south of I-10. I think the temperatures are going to be the increasingly big story as we head into the weekend. Now, if you find yourself under one of those downpours, notice the graph forecast model does highlight that. Similar to today, some areas may get the big goose egg, 0. Other spots, possibly 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain underneath some of those downpours. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, rain chance slim to none. 10% probability of rain. Maybe by Sunday into Monday of this upcoming week, we may see a couple of storms move back our way. The big ridge of high pressure is going to be the culprit for our big heat wave ahead, potentially bringing the hottest weather of the summer so far. Notice as we head towards each day into the weekend, stair-stepping our way up into the upper 90s. In the tropics, there is a new Invest 92L with a high 70% probability of formation. Here's the good news in the Atlantic. We've got a bunch of hurdles for this tropical wave to encounter. Lots of dry air north of the system. And our best friend, a lot of wind shear in the Caribbean. Both of these factors make me skeptical of whether or not this system is ever going to organize at all. We will keep you posted and watch this disturbance. It could bring some beneficial rain to parts of Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and into Haiti and the Dominican Republic by this upcoming weekend. Another disturbance in the open Atlantic heading out to sea. So no tropical threats here locally. Temperatures, look at them, cranking into the mid-90s by this weekend.
Day 2.